Welcome to today's news. East Central Railway Apprentice Recruitment 2025. Apply for 1,154 posts. Details are explained in this video. East Central Railway ECR has invited applications for apprentice posts. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website of Railway Recruitment Cell, East Central Railway at https://www.rrcecr.gov.in. This recruitment is for filling 1,154 posts in railway. The registration process begins on January 25 and will end on February 14, 2025. Vacancy details. Danpur Division 675 posts. Dhanbad Division 156 posts. Deen Dayal Udyayana Division 64 posts. Sonpur Division 47 posts. Samastipur Division 46 posts. Plant Depot PT Deen Dayal Udyayana 29 posts. Carriage Repair Workshop Harnach 110 posts. Mechanical Workshop Samastipur 27 posts. Qualification. The candidate must have passed 10th class examination or its equivalent with minimum 50% marks in aggregate from recognized board and ITI in relevant trade, that is, National Trade Certificate in the notified trade issued by National Council for Vocational Training or Provisional Certificate issued by National Council for Vocational Training or State Council for Vocational Training. Selection process. Selection for apprenticeship training will be on the basis of merit list prepared in respect of all the candidates who apply against the notification for a particular division or unit. The merit list will be prepared taking the average of the percentage marks obtained by the candidates in both matriculation with minimum 50% aggregate marks and ITI examination giving equal weightage to both. Application fee. The application fee is ₹100. The payment can be made by using debit or credit card or internet banking, etc. by providing information as asked on the screen. For more related details, candidates can check the official website of Railway Recruitment Cell, Eastern Central Railway. The registration process begins on January 25 and will end on February 14, 2025. Selection process, eligibility criteria, online registration process, payment of application fee, intimation charge, process and pattern of examination or interview, and more related details, visit the official website of East Central Railway at https://www.rrcecr.gov.in. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com. Thank you.